guys, I'm Kuyo from Japan. Today, I enjoy 4 types of dishes on the rice. We call it don or donburi. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First, make 3 color bowl of beef and pork. Crack the egg into a bowl and mix them. Turn on the heat and add the oil to the frying pan. Add the egg and fry it. Once the eggs are cooked, turn off the heat. The scrambled eggs are completed. Next, stir fry beef and pork minced. Once the meat is cooked, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sweet sake, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Then, mix them. The meat dish is completed. Next, cut the seaweed into small pieces. Cut the seaweed with scissors or tear it with your hands. Preparation of ingredient is completed. Place the ingredient on top of the rice. Egg, meat dish, and seaweed. The 3 color bowl of beef and pork is completed. This looks colorful and cute, and it's easy to make and delicious. Next, make a 3 color bowl of salmon flakes. This is commercially available salmon flakes. If you don't have one, cook the salmon on the grill or in the frying pan. Next, stir fry the egg in the same way as for 3 color bowl of beef and pork. Place the ingredient on top of the rice. Salmon flakes, egg, and seaweed. The 3 color bowl of salmon flakes is completed. This bowl is easy to make anytime you have salmon flakes. You can also make delicious onigiri by mixing these ingredients with rice. Next, make a chicken and avocado bowl. Cut the avocado in half and remove the seed. Cut it in half and remove the skin. Cut the avocado into bite-sized pieces. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. I recommend using chicken thighs. Turn on the heat and add the oil. Fry the chicken. Sprinkle pepper over the chicken. Fry them. Once the chicken is cooked, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix them gently and turn off the heat. Add the avocado and mix them well. Preparation of ingredients is completed. Place the chicken and avocado on top of the rice. Press the egg yolk on top of it. Finally, sprinkle them with sesame seeds. The chicken and avocado bowl is completed. This is one of my favorite bowls. Avocado, chicken, and sauce go very well together, so please give this a try. Finally, make a mushroom steak bowl. Cut the king mushroom into bite-sized pieces. Cut the stem of the mushroom horizontally and cap part vertically. Heat a frying pan and add oil. Fry the mushrooms. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add salt and pepper and mix them together. Mushroom steak is completed. Next, fry the minced pork. Once the pork is cooked, add the BBQ sauce. Then mix them. The pork sauce is now ready. Arrange the mushroom on top of the rice. Top with pork sauce. Finally, sprinkle them with sesame seeds. The mushroom steak bowl is completed. The star of this bowl is mushroom. You can enjoy this bowl using your favorite mushrooms. There are many types of donburi in Japan. In Japan, katsudon and oyakodon are famous, but there are also many bowls that are easy to make, such as the one I introduced today. Also, let me know your favorite rice bowl in the comments.
Thank you for reviewing how was Japanese donburi. There are many types of donburi in Japan, so I will show you someday. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and subscribe button. I'm looking for you. See you next week. Bye!